Okay, so this is one of the brand new April Easter transfers from Couture, and I just got it in a couple days ago, and I'm really excited about this one because these are the smaller transfers that you can put on mugs. You can pretty much put on anything, but I like the size of it so that I can put on coffee mugs, little flower pots. Endless possibilities. This is one of my favorite sizes, and I'm really excited about this one because it is all Easter and spring stuff, and I'm so tired of winter. Even though here in Italy, winter has not been that horrible as it has been what I've been seeing in the States. So y'all in the States, I'm really sorry. We'll send you some warmer weather. But what I like to do, I like to keep my little plastic container that it comes in for now until I can figure out a more permanent way to store them, more long-term, I guess I should say. But now Couture has just come out with brand new sheets, because each one of these transfers come on a sheet that you can put them back onto. So it's shiny on one side, that's what side the sticky side of the transfer goes on, and then the other side, of course, is just the back side, so it doesn't stick to that. So you don't want to put it on the wrong sides. You have to be really careful. Whenever I do big events, I always tell everyone, please make sure you put on the back what the picture is on the front, because when you have a lot of people at an event, it's hard to match up the pieces. And you'll see what I'm talking about here in just a minute. So we're gonna open this one up. Like I said, we're gonna be really careful, because we want to save that. Has the little directions on the back, which is really nice for anybody that's just starting out. So we're going to put that aside, and this one you can kind of tell if this is more the matte side. This is where we're going to write what is on the opposite side. So of course I cannot find any scissors, so I'm just going to use my knife. And I think we'll do this cute little Hello Spring. So we're just going to cut this out. Of course it's not going to work. Oh, there we go. Because it is a vinyl, but it has like a screen print in it, material, which is really nice. It's not like your regular stenciling, which is why I love this so much. Okay. So as you can tell, here's your shiny side. Okay, that's always what the sticky side goes to. Now, this one we're going to write on with a Sharpie here in just a minute. But this is going to be so cute. But I want to show you this. This is what amazes everyone. If you can see my finger through there, of course. But it's a silk screen, so it will not bleed into the other areas if you put it down correctly. That's the key thing. It's really nice. I fell in love with this about 1.5 years ago now, and I think many of my friends have too. They really seem to enjoy this one. You can put it on anything, which is great. Okay, got my Sharpie. We're just going to put on here, Hello Spring. Okay. So then that way, when these two get separated, I know which one it goes back on to. You'll appreciate that in the long run. And of course now, it's time to make something. So have fun. And be sure to visit my site at www.chalkingwithchristina.chalkcouture.com. Ciao!